In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start trading futures on TradingView. By the end, you'll be connected to a broker or a paper trading account. You'll know how to find futures contracts, analyze them on a chart, configure your order with risk controls, and execute a trade directly from TradingView. First, open the Trading panel. At the bottom of your chart, click the Trading Panel tab. This opens the panel where TradingView lists all supported brokers along with the paper trading option. Keep the chart visible above so you can place trades from the same screen. Next, connect a broker. In the Trading panel, choose an integrated broker like TradingView, Interactive Brokers, or AMP. Click Connect next to your broker and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and authorize the connection. If you don't have a live futures account, select paper trading to use a demo balance. This lets you practice on real-time charts without risking real money. Once connected, you'll see your status change to connected and your account balance will appear in the panel. Now, find futures contracts. Go to the symbol search box in the top left of TradingView. Click it and type the futures symbol. For example, type ES1 for the E-mini S and P500 or MES1 for the micro E-mini S and P500. Select the symbol from the list to load it on the chart. If you're using paper trading, you can still search and load the same futures symbols for practice. Analyze and trade from the chart. Use TradingView's tools to read price action before placing the order. You can change timeframes, add indicators, draw support and resistance lines, and zoom or scroll to review recent sessions. When you're ready, just use the buy and sell buttons visible in the top left corner of the chart, or open the order panel from the trading panel. Keep your chart context visible so you can place levels precisely. Configure your order. In the order ticket, choose your order type and quantity. Market executes immediately at the current price. Limit sets a specific price where you want to be filled. Stop triggers an order once price reaches your stop level. Type in the number of contracts you want to trade. If your broker shows tick value or margin requirements in the ticket, review them before proceeding. Make sure the side, buy for long or sell for short, matches your plan. Manage risk before you submit. In the same ticket, set your take profit and stop loss levels. You can enter exact prices, distance in ticks, or percentages depending on your broker's options in TradingView. On the chart, you'll see projected lines for entry, stop, and target. Adjust them by dragging to precise levels or editing the values in the ticket. Confirm that your stop loss limits potential loss to an amount you're comfortable with and that your take profit reflects your trade idea. This step protects your capital and removes hesitation once the order is live. Execute the trade. Click Buy or Sell to place the order. If it's a market order, it will fill immediately and appear on your chart and in the Positions or Orders tab of the Trading panel. If it's a limit or stop order, you'll see it queued at the level you set, and it will trigger when price reaches that point. Keep the chart and Trading panel open to monitor the position. Your stop loss and take profit will manage the exit automatically if price hits those levels. At this point, you've successfully connected a trading account or paper account, found a futures contract on TradingView, analyzed the chart, configured the order with proper risk controls, and executed the trade. Your futures trading setup on TradingView is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.